I've said before, I'll say it again. At least a year and a half, if not 2 years, in some sort of incarceration is appropriate, given the 34 felony counts and the attempts to interfere with the election back in 2016. Manhattan DA is going to have a big decision to make. Are they just going to sit back and let this be the precedent that is set by Judge Merchan? Or are they going to also take their own appeal or cross appeal, assuming Donald Trump appeals, to the First Department Appellate Division, which is the appellate court that sits in New York? That's where it starts. And then it then moves on to the Court of Appeals, the highest court in New York. And then I'm going to talk at the back end of this hot take about the role, if any, of the United States Supreme Court in all this. But I'm encouraging the Manhattan DA to do its job. It came this far. This has been jokingly referred to as the zombie case, but the zombie case led to a felony conviction 34 times by a 12-person, 12-0 jury in New York. And I don't think any of those jurors would be happy if we were to poll them now that their hard work of listening to weeks and weeks of testimony, dozens and dozens of witnesses, sorting through evidence, listening to the two other co-conspirators testify against Donald Trump, David Picard of the National Enquirer, Michael Cohen, his former consigliere, I think they'd be none too pleased to realize that for all of their hard work, just because Donald Trump had the fortune to get reelected or elected in November, it means he's not going to serve any jail time.